Nisbet House is a 17th-century mansion in the Scottish Borders. It is located on the north side of the Blackadder Water, 2.5 kilometres south of Duns, in the Merse, a low-lying part of the former county of Berwickshire. It was built in about 1630 by Sir Alexander Nisbet, ancestor of the heraldic authority Alexander Nisbet. Architectural evidence suggests that the building incorporates at its eastern end a square pele tower that was the former house. The house is protected as a Category A listed building. History: the Nisbet family built two fortified houses of pele towers in the 12th century, East Nisbet and West Nisbet. East Nisbet, now known as Alum Bank, was located on the Blackadder Water near Allenton, although the original tower no longer exists. Western Nisbet remains, and was extended in the 1630s to form the bulk of the present house. The laird at the time was Sir Alexander Nisbet of that ilk. Sir Alexander Nisbet overextended his finances in supporting Charles I in the Civil War, and was forced to sell the property to John Kerr in 1652. A square tower, with fine interior plasterwork, in the classical style of William Adam, was added to the west end in 1774. The house remained with Kerr descendants until the 1950s, when the estate was sold to Lord Brock.It. After partial modernisation, the house was sold again in the mid-1960s to a local farmer, and remained unoccupied until its recent and comprehensive restoration as a private residence. Nisbet Estate. The former estate contains a very small mill, an 18th-century upland stable range, and a scattering of cottages and farmhouses. Duns Spa, a source of mineral water in the 18th century, is just to the north of the Nisbet Estate, and the Spa House still stands. Gallery. Photographs of Nisbet House taken by Robert Chancellor Nisbet in the 1930s.